Welcome on board first guest Nagaraj Shetti, the Technical and Derivative Research Analyst at HDFC Securities, joined us. Nagaraj, hi, thank you so much for making time and speaking with us. Well, what does the rollover from the month of June tell you? How's July likely to pan out? Are we going to continue this momentum, head to 19,500 soon?
Hi, of course, Nifty has been in a strong uptrend. If you look at the last 2 months rally, Nifty has been structurally moving up on the charts as per the higher tops and bottoms. Recently, after a small dip, we have seen some strong upside momentum, which was absent in the last few weeks. So this opening upside gaps and Nifty moving into new all-time highs is indicating that upside momentum really strong for the Nifty, and we are likely to see the next upside target for the Nifty of around 19,300 to 400 levels before showing any decent consolidation or a downward correction from the higher levels.
In fact, before I come to your strategy, I'd like to check out the charts of Biocon. Biocon is one of the most under performing of all the pharma stocks actually, and it has really shot up in the last 10-15 minutes, crossing the 250 mark. The buzz on the street is that there is a transaction which could be brewing in Biocon. Last transaction which we saw was when Adar Poonawalla had put in about 300 million in its biosimilar arm. So that is where the action is in terms of interest. But the stock has crossed 250. What do you see of this charts right now, Nagaraj, Biocon?
Yes, Biocon, after moving into a range-bound action over the last few weeks, had witnessed a surge in today's session, and the overall chart pattern is looking positive, and it is currently placed at the resistance of 200-day EMA around 257, 258 levels. The way the stock has moved up and the overall chart pattern is indicating that the resistance is likely to be broken, and that could have a further upside momentum for the stock price in the near term. I'm expecting next hurdle of around 270 to be reached in the stock in the near term.
Okay, so that's about Biocon, but from the auto pack, Nagaraj, which is the stock that you would recommend a buy on?
Yes, Atto, most of the stocks are moving positive in the stocks. Actually, I advise the Tata Motors. So when you can see the structural upside momentum after a small decline recently, it has moved up again and moved into a new all-time high. If you look at the long-term charts, it has witnessed a strong upside breakout of the hurdle around 450 levels, and since then it has been continuously moving up. I think the next resistance would be around 650 in the near term.
Okay, so Nagaraj, apart from that, what are the top bets that you are recommending clients?
Yeah, I'm betting on metal stock, that is JSW Steel. Chartically, this stock has been in a larger consolidation over the last many months. You can see the 780, 85, 90 levels has been a strong resistance so far. And currently, after a small decline of last week, it has moved up this week decisively and placed at the resistance of the 785, 86 levels and is likely to be broken on the upper side. The overall chart pattern is looking positive. Volume is expanding during upside breakout, and I'm expecting this to move up. One may look to buy at 785, which is the current market price, and the target would be around 830, 840 levels in the next 1 or 2 weeks, and one can place a stop loss of 750 levels. The second one is CDSL. CDSL was moving in a continuous downtrend over the last many months, and recently it has witnessed upside breakout in this week of the downsloping trend line around 1060, 1070 levels. Currently placed around 1117. One may buy at these levels and wait for the target of 1165 by placing a stop loss of 1075 levels.
Right. Coming back to that TER beneficiaries, we have spoken about HDFC AMC, Birla, Nippon Asset, but there's also another stock which houses an AMC, equity type of AMC, and is not really, I would say, overlooked by many as AMC stock, but it does have a lot of asset management and institutional equity business, and that's Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Has crossed 730 today. But it's still, I would say, if you compare it to some of the other AMC movers, it's on the lower side. How did the chart read of this one, Nagaraj?
Can you just repeat the stock?
Motilal Oswal okay. Financial Services.
Yeah, chartically looking positive, continuously moving up. Higher tops and higher bottoms is visible on the daily chart, which is indicating the upside momentum remains strong for the stock. Recent dip in the stock has taken a support of 200-day EMA, which is very crucial as recently in the past, this EMA has acted as a strong resistance and led to downward reversal in the stocks. So taking the support and bouncing back from the 675 levels in the last few sessions is indicating the strong upside momentum is on cards for this stock. And are likely to move up further. And I'm expecting the next hurdle of around 775 to 780 in the next couple of weeks.
Okay, so that was the technical view coming in on the AMC stocks. On that note, we'll let you go, Nagaraj, but let's get you the fundamental opinion on the AMC